cannot figure, though I done my level best. I just cannot figure, darling, though I done my level best. What kind of cold, cold creature be living inside your chest? Living inside your chest. You play me by the numbers, and I paid a heavy toll. You played me by the numbers, darling, now I paid a heavy toll. How can a woman who once loved me turn around and be so cold? Turn around and be so cold. Set my way on the highway and then showed me to the door. Set my way on the highway, darling, and you showed it to the door. After all these years together, I don't think I know you anymore. Don't really think I know you anymore. That's right. Don't like what I see. Looking into your eyes, I don't like what I see. There's 1,000 miles of frozen tundra staring back at me, staring back at me. Well, I just cannot figure, though I done my level best. I just cannot figure, darling, though I done my level best. Yes, I have. What kind of cold, cold creature be living inside your chest? What kind of cold, cold creature be living inside your chest? What kind of cold, cold creature be living inside your chest? No, baby, you're just a cold, cold creature. A cold, cold creature. That's right, Mom. Your cold, cold creature. Your cold